Welcome back, everyone. Hi, we're going to chop two large tomatoes for our sauce. We'll also chop fresh garlic and fresh ginger. We're going to add all of this into a bottle or blender, whichever you're using. Add some sugar, add some salt, and then blend until smooth. Next, we'll pour this into a saucepan and continuously stir until it boils. You have to keep stirring because of the sugar. We don't want it crystallizing along the edges of the pot. We'll add some chili powder, very little, not enough to make it spicy hot. And then we keep stirring that for a while. Then our sauce is officially ready. You can see it's thicker, it's redder, no artificial color added, and definitely no water included. This is the consistency we have. It's nice and thick. If you're not using it right away, please include some lemon juice or vinegar. That's how thick it is. Thanks for watching.